Hello, this is Yvebelize. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I stretch my wash and go with a regular dryer. I'm going to be using this on high heat. The more stretch you want your hair, the higher the heat that you should be using. I usually use high heat to stretch my hair because I want it stretched to the max. As you can see, my hair is very defined, so even though I stretch my hair to the max, my curls still find a way to shrink back up a little bit, so I do the maximum stretch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my hair, and I'm also going to go in with some oil before I stretch it. My hair does not have any oil in it yet, and as you can see, it's already shiny. I only have in my leave-in conditioner and my gel to do my washing. Okay, so I section off my hair. My hair is about 95% dry. I went in with the diffuser to take out the excess water. It's now 5:19. So let's see how long this is going to take. That was less than a minute, and I could still stretch this some more. If you can see, my curls are still there. All I'm doing is I take the portion of my hair and I'm going along with the hair with the dryer, not touching my hair, and I'm pulling on my hair to stretch my curls. It's 5:21. We're 3 minutes in already. Okay, so there you have it. It's 5:38 and we started at 5:19. So exactly 19 minutes to stretch this. Look at that. It's still super defined. So yeah, there you have it. Stretched the hair in 19 minutes with the regular dryer. Look at the length. So what I'll do next, I'll take it on cool and just go through my hair to lock in my moisture. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.